taken the other's quotations without mentioning and without giving the source. Okay, this is also plagiarism. And directly quoting the source but leaving out of the quotation marks and block intention is a form. This is also plagiarism. So you are also always mentioning the proper quotation and proper source. So it is always you avoid the plagiarism. Changing some words but copying the whole phrases. Okay, inside you change some words or some sentence. Okay, this is also this is also plagiarism. Paraphrase without the attributions. Okay, please taken the content. Okay, change the language. So not language, change them. Okay, letter, words. Okay, this is also paraphrase without attribution. This is also plagiarism. And the paraphrase that are close to the original wording and the sentence structure if you cite a plagiarism. Okay, paraphrasing the close to original word, the sentence structure. So this is also plagiarism. Thoroughly rewriting the source words without attribution of the plagiarism. Okay, this is also unintentional plagiarism. So what is the for example? This is they use another exact words. The plagiarism is the reproduction of someone's words, ideas, and findings and presenting them as one's own without proper acknowledgement. Okay, if you write this is the incorrect. Of course, if you write this one, the plagiarism is there. With the quotations, with the double quote. Okay, this is where you taken from this content and page number and year of applications. If you mention, okay, this we can avoid the plagiarism. And plagiarism structure, for example, paraphrase another words by changing the sentence construction word of choice. The maintaining the original sentence construction without acknowledgement. Without citation, if you write it, but without citation, if you take one paragraph, this also comes under the plagiarism, or 2 lines or 3 lines. Okay, with the proper citation, with the proper acknowledgement. Okay, you can avoid. So some of the type of plagiarism. First, they take in the paper, just to remove their name, put our name, and send the journals or conference. Okay, this is the one kind of post-writer plagiarism. And the self-stated, okay, our own work. Okay, for example, we change the for example self and not the self-citation, the self-status, okay, our own content, our own information. Okay, again we send the different journals or different conference. This also comes under the plagiarism. This is your own work. And the code cell, for example, we are doing the complete photocopy, copying entire source or large section of the source, passing some own work. This also comes under the plagiarism. And the patchways, for example, taken some of the content from the own page, and another content from different pages. Okay, this also comes into the plagiarism. And idea page, for example, idea page also this also presenting someone else's unique interpretation, theory, and analysis. Also, okay, this also plagiarism. Some of the 10 types of plagiarism there: cloning and controlled copying and the entry place, and remix, and recycle, and hybrid and mashup. Okay, everything is plagiarism. So some of the, for example, nowadays the Google also 4 to 6 words. If it is continually you taken somewhere, okay, Google also easily identified. Okay, now the Google, not only Google, some of the search engines, okay, they easily detected. And another one is some of the plagiarism checkers of the free software is available. Scan by easy and small geo tools, okay, small search engine optimization tools also. The free tools is available. Free tools, Grammarly, free tools available, code text, and a duplicate checker, and many plagiarism free software is available. And the UGC also provide for example, provide the authenticate, the implement, authenticate, Turnitin, and Urgund. Many software also they are provide Turnitin, authenticate. And now is at present is now is another one is there. I forgot the name. You give the plague and this is also free. The image, the particular science people, they copied somewhere. Most of the science publications you get the image copy is available. So they are attracted there. So they are there on the second of this article. So why the people plagiarize? For example, usually we are always in the last runner, for end of the time only we are doing the hurry. The pressure to publish the Bulgarian government, particularly teachers, okay, 6 to 7, or 11, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 13. Okay, this also at the end of the year, okay, for career advancement. Okay, this is also we copy somewhere. And the fear of failure. Okay, sometimes the teachers or a scholar, okay, this is another one is the excuse of failure. Lack of time and planning, without planning and time. Another one is lack of awareness and lack of knowledge and laziness. Okay, we can do it. Okay, this is also another. And the excuse of the students, it's okay, I can't get caught. The students' mentality. Everyone does it. All the students are doing, so why not? Okay, this is another one. And the assignment was boring. And my teacher expect too much, not only teachers and also parents. We always give them A plus plus or O. This is also another thing. And I was too busy to write the paper, and job became too much of homework. This is the problem, so they are plagiarizing. So what are the consequences, possibility consequences? Scholarly reputations degraded, and credibility is also degraded. And the suspension and expulsion from the professional and organization. Okay, they are suspended and removed from job, and the loss of jobs, and loss of funding agency. Loss of the proposal states no respect us, which is also possible. And the grades of for a dissertation, particularly in the research scholars, is find it. Dissertation is not accepted for PhD. And expulsion from the university and no area disclosed. Legal action against the activity is also possible. EDC also in 2018, okay, they have the standards of the, for example, levels of plagiarism. The level 0, similarities up to 10%, level 1, level 2, level 3. Okay, similarity about 10 to 40%, similarities about 40 to 60%. Similarities above 60%, they have the 4 levels. If it is the 0 level, it is a minor similarity, it is no penalty, and up to 10%. And the similarities up to 10 to 40%, the students shall be asked to submit and revise the script within the stipulated time or not exceeding the 6 months. It is fine. Of course, after awarding degree also. And otherwise, they cancel your degree. And similarity is 40 to 60% such students. Apart from the submitting revised script and the period of 1 year. After 1 year, they have the paper, then they will allow to submit. And 60%, more than 60%, just student the registration for that program shall be cancelled. Okay, this is also for example your dissertation. In the paper, particularly in the research publication as a faculty, 10% is similarity, no penalty, shall be asked to withdraw the manuscript 10% to 40%. Of course, in the level 2, the similarity is about 40 to 60%, shall be asked to withdraw the manuscript, shall be denied right to 1 annual increment, shall not be allowed to supervise any master degree at PhD and MPhil degree, the scholar for the 2 years. Okay, this is the faculty facing this problem. And level 3, similarity is about 60%. But this is withdraw the manuscript, and the 2 annual increment, okay, is denied to right to 2 successive annual increment. Shall not be allowed the supervisor to any new master degree at BG at scholar for the period of 3 years. So both students and the guide also, they will affected from the plagiarism. So we always should be very careful about the plagiarism, writing proposal, writing thesis, and writing the paper. Okay, any questions? Any clarification?
Sir, good evening, sir. This is Rama from the Department of Chemistry.
Tell me, madam.
Sir, how authentic the various plagiarism checkers will be for while
Madam,
it is
which software? Okay, madam, mostly for authenticate Turnitin. Turnitin is, for example, this group, for example, particular institutions. Authenticate is also very helpful. Okay, this both are same. Okay, now it's Urkund is removed from the UGC. They are also adopted our own product. Urkund is, I think, Portugal. And now, after our Indian government, okay, this is our own product also. I forgot the name, okay, but Pondicherry University using the Turnitin software, so I forgot the name.
Yes, sir.
So you go to the Turnitin and write the indicate.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. I want to ask one question regarding plagiarism.
Yes, tell me,
Sir,
madam.
how to remove plagiarism if it is there in the manuscript?
Madam, how to remove it? You write your own way, madam. Write your own content.
Okay, sir.
You check it, but of course, if you go to the or I think get that details, okay, if you read this article also very changing the automatically, but you rewrite or you use your own content. Removing
Okay.
is very wrong, madam. This is also very wrong.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much, all the faculty members and research scholars, and also I thank you. Respected principals have given this wonderful opportunity, share my knowledge and some ideas about the research, preparing research proposals and plagiarism. Thank you very much for patiently listening. And that's you are also very good, very good responsible. But
Yes, I'm here, sir.
yes. Any questions? Any clarification?
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir,
Please tell your name and your institution, sir.
sir, I'm Dr. Santosh Kumar, HOD CSC, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Tell me, sir.
Sir, actually, that in PhD and all that we are doing that coursework, no, sir, or
Yes,
that
good.
field work. We have to publish that. We have to publish the 3 papers. So
Yeah, yes, sir.
whenever that we are writing the thesis, that they are expecting that plagiarism also will be less, because whatever the PhD work is there, so that only that we are writing in thesis.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes.
Uh,
Yeah,
then the-
that time,
how to avoid,
you
sir?
can, yes, yeah, this is your own work. Okay,
Yes,
when
sir.
you have the option, sir, if they are authenticate or Turnitin or so the wood gold, they have the option. Your own work, you can remove this paper.
Okay, sir.
The option is available. Option is available. This is your own work.
But some
Okay, you can.
universities that they are insisting that you have
No,
to
no,
reduce to
yeah,
10%
existing, but
like that.
your paper is there. Okay, you can. They have the, for example, some of the what are the copied item. Okay,
Okay,
that
sir.
item you can remove from the at the time of checking.
Okay, sir.
Okay, based on your research thesis, based on your research only, you publish the articles. So you remove this. It's no problem. This not comes under the plagiarism.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay,
you, sir.
sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.